Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson. Today I'm going to show you how to stop material from fraying. Very often when you make something, you don't want to hem it because either you just don't have the time to sew it, or perhaps the fabric needs to fall a certain way and hemming it would stop it from flowing a certain way. And one way that you can prevent the fabric from fraying in that instance is to use pinking shears. This is a pair of pinking shears. They have a jagged edge like this, and when you use it on the fabric, it gives you this kind of jagged edge, and you'll see right here the regular cut tends to fray. But when you use the pinking shears, it keeps it from fraying, and it's very easy. You use it like regular scissors, and you just cut the edge with the pinking shears, just as you would with any kind of scissors. And there you have a very neat little edge that actually looks kind of decorative, and it won't fray. So that's one way that you can keep fabric from fraying. Of course, you can always hem it, but this is the quicker option. My name is Linda Hutchinson, and I'm so glad that you were able to join me today. Thank you.